everybody, I am Logan Plays, and I'm going to show you a tour around the train station. So let's get to it, guys. So we're going to start right off in the back. So I don't know what you call this. It's a train or some sort of something. Well, yeah. I don't know what this thing is. What's the NHL? Do the NHL have something to do with trains? Wait, Illuminati confirmed. Oh yeah, so. And yeah, it has a bunch of writing on it. Cappy 79. Why do I get mistakes? Yeah, so that's that one. And here is one of the real trains. I'll give you a full tour around it. So yeah, there is I call this black and yellow. Black off the yellow. That's what I call it, or black yellow. Blacky yellow. I don't know. I'm losing my mind. But yeah. So here's one of the and here's one that's basically the exact same, but like better paint. I'm gonna get on top of it, guys. So I can't really, but. So guys, as you can see, I'm on top of the train. So, yeah guys, I'm on top of it, and well, to prove I'm on top of it, here's my legs on it. You know, there's what even is in this? Bunch of like mechanics and stuff. You guys tell a chick. I don't know. The aliens in there. Because aliens could roam the earth. But who cares about aliens? Who cares about anything else besides my channel? My channel is the best channel. So just subscribe to my channel. Alright. So here's an orange one. Here's an orange train. Oh, it's like huge. So yeah, there's a way to get on top of it, so I'm gonna go do that. Yeah. So, hang in the camera. Ooh. Okay. I'm on top of it. And here's the wheel. Don't turn. I just made it turn a little. And there's another wheel on the other side, but I'm scared I'm gonna fall. But there's the other wheel. It has like these weird grids. But like, yeah. Here's a little rock. And it says something up here, you guys could kind of read it. It says rocks. I don't know if you guys can read, but it says rocks. Yeah. It's pretty easy to get on. I'm gonna try to get on every single train. And here's another one of those long things that we saw in the beginning. And this is actually the back of the train. So, yeah, another NHL. Oh my God! What the heck? Okay, I'll stop. But seriously. But yeah, I'll show you the front of the train. So, well, first I'm gonna get on like this is basically the back of like the front part, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. Camera, hang in there. This one's actually one of the hardest to get on. Okay, guys, I'm not even gonna get on back here, but here is the back. Not really much. Oh, let's move on to the front. So, yeah, here's the front. It says Canadian National Pro History Lessons. But, yeah, let me show you the front and then I'll get on it. So, here's the front. It looks really nice. It has 900, and a little symbol in the middle. I really like this. It's my favorite. Like, it's one of my favorite trains here. Well, yeah, all the ones are. Camera. But just wait, camera. You should have patience, you know, guys. But yeah, to prove I'm on it, well, here's the symbol and that. So yeah, you know. So yeah, I'm on it. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get down real quick. So, that's almost it. There's my Springtrap plushie. Well, yeah, because I made a video down here. But, here's, this thing. If you see it in my last video at the end, hopefully you did anyway, you could push it. And I'm gonna get on it, you know. Push it. So yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, that's that. Oh, for real. But well, here's something. I clearly don't really know what it is, but I'm just gonna get on it for you guys. I really love, and guys, I really appreciate what you have done for me for this 2 years, I think. I got 18, not that lot, but you know, we'll keep getting more. You guys mean a lot to me, so I need to know that. Right. It's kind of hard to be honest, because yeah, guys, it's right. Guys, I'll just take the camera back. So, I'll show you footage of me getting up. I can't really show you well, guys. Hey, camera, come back here. Right. So I'm not on it, but I mean, halfway. There's not. Oh, guys, I got it. Okay. Whoop 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 whoop. But I'm on it. It's really, really interesting. So I got like this in the front, and have like a rope thingy. Wee 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 wee. What the? Is that Foxy's hook? You know, got that Foxy's hook again. Don't know what that is. Yeah, it's a really weird place. And got a sign. You know, it's pretty easy to get down. You just gotta jump down. Easy. But I'm just gonna take one more loop. Let's go take one more loop around Well, yeah, here's a room. Do you need to go to the bathroom? But, yeah. So let's do this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, on the top, paint's coming off. Wait. Chickens? What's in that window, guys? It looks like mechanic and stuff. Hey mate, Foxy here. Want to tell you, don't you fear. I prefer to be alone in my cove. Thumbs up. But and there's like cool little gears. Guys, I know. Wait, I can get up this one. Look, it takes a lot of pressure. No, guys, I honestly can't. Because if I walk on this, then yeah, you know. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. There's not that much really else. Another ladder. 30 something. But I think it's a 7. But yeah, it was really interesting. There's literally a ladder that goes up to the top. And there's a broken window. So yeah, guys, that's about it for today's episode, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!